Hello everyone, how to do it's back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can stop getting notification from replies in thread post. Okay, for example, when someone reply in your post, then you will not able to get notification if you use this feature. Okay, so you can see the threads app. You need to click threads app. Once you click there, then you'll get the interface of threads app. So then here you can see the option, and this one, the human icon. So simply click on human. Once you click there, then you have to click here the top right corner, the two line on your screen. You can see two lines. Simply click on this. Once you click on this, then you have to click notification, second option, and then click threads and replies, second option, and then the replies option. So by default, like when anyone reply to your comment or message, then you will get notification from everyone. So when you click off, then you'll not get a notification from people. Okay, so there are three options, you can try it. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.